This is going to be thoracic extensions using a Roman chair. That's what this machine is. Now, there's a couple different ways we can set this up to accomplish this. I'm going to start on the easier side of things and then progressively make it a little bit harder. So right now it's set really low to where if I get on, my hips are the only thing in contact with the pad here. And to make this a little easier on myself, I need to come way up. So that way when I get on, my belly can be in contact. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I'm trying to extend only through my upper spine and not through the lower. So as I go through and I have my belly braced onto here, I'm going to flex my glutes. I'm going to brace my abs to help keep pressure. And I'm just going to let my upper back round out. From this point, as I'm flexing my glutes and bracing my abs, I'm going to lift my chest. This way, I'm only working the lats into a deep extension, but I'm not allowing my lower back to do any of this flexing here. Because if we do that, there's a very good chance that you might pinch something, you might overwork the low back, whatever the case may be. And we're just trying to work that mid and upper back here. So all it should look like is you are rounding at the shoulders and then pulling your chest up. Bonus points if you can pull your chest up and squeeze your shoulders back. If I drop my arms, it's a little bit easier to squeeze my shoulder blades here at the top. But make sure you're keeping your abs well braced and your glutes squeezed. Now, if I want to make this a little bit harder, I can take it and drop it back down to where my hips are going to be locked in. And I can come all the way down here. And you can see I reach down here to make sure I get a really big stretch. And then as I come up, I'm only using those mid-back muscles again. So this is where it's a little trickier. And you want to really make sure you're not using that low back to hold yourself up. So you see, I only come up to about level with the ground, maybe a little more. But all the work here is from this point on my back to here. There is very little happening in that low back down to my SI joint. And that's how I want to keep these so I can extend through the thoracic spine.